Hey guys, it's Ben, and I was not planning on making a video today, but about 8 weeks ago I ordered something for my car, and right after I ordered it I noticed that in the product description it said that each item is made to order, so give it about 6 to 8 weeks for shipping. And I was a little bummed whenever I found that out, but it finally came in today and I cannot be happier. So I'm gonna do an install, drive it around a little bit, and then do a review. So this is the shift knob that I got. I got it from Space City Spy. It's got the shift pattern on top. It's got a coyote on the side, which is going to be facing the driver's side. And I got it in transparent red, so let's get it installed and see how it performs. To remove the stock shift knob, you just want to turn it counterclockwise, and it comes off pretty easily. So on the website it said to get the included nut, just turn it on there, and then just get this. So that didn't line up correctly with how I wanted it to, so I'm just gonna turn it. Let's get this correct. So I know that Loctite was recommended for this, but just gonna have to do this now, for now. So let's go for a drive and I'll let you know what I think about it. Alright, so right now I'm actually taking a drive around my neighborhood, just trying to get a feel for the shift knob and see what it's like. Wow, it just feels super smooth. It's a little bit weighted, which I actually like, and just it fits perfectly in your hand. Off camera I actually got it to fit perfectly. Not perfectly, I'm still gonna go out and get some Loctite sometime this weekend, but yeah, it is great. I really do like it. If any of you are in the market for a shift knob for your 2015 Mustang, I highly recommend this one. I've driven friends' cars with like American Muscle shift knobs, and they just felt like cheap, and I'm really happy with this product. It may have taken 8 weeks, but it was worth it. It was a good price. So yeah, I think you guys should get it.